Welcome to PeekAboo-AI Surveillance. This is the channel where we dive deep into the fascinating and sometimes spooky world of AI in video and audio surveillance. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the latest news and information. And for all my returning subscribers, welcome back. Let's get into it. Think about a casino. It's a high-stakes environment, and not just at the poker tables. As people get craftier at trying to beat the system, casinos are forced to level up their security. But it's not just about catching cheaters anymore. AI surveillance is now being used to create a safer, more efficient, and even more personalized gaming experience. So, beyond just facial recognition and gun detection, let's explore how AI is changing the game. First up, let's talk about the people who keep the whole operation running, the employees. An AI surveillance system can automate time and attendance management. Imagine a system that flawlessly tracks employee schedules, breaks, overtime, and this ensures the right staff are in the right places at all times, keeping the casino floor operating smoothly. It's about making sure only authorized personnel are in sensitive areas, which is crucial for seamless operations. By using AI this way, casinos can boost efficiency and maintain compliance in a really dynamic environment. Next, security. Protecting the perimeter and controlling access is paramount. AI systems act as digital guards, safeguarding the premises from unauthorized entry and potential security breaches. This protects valuable assets, and more importantly, keeps patrons and staff safe. Access control systems are vital for restricting entry to sensitive zones like cash handling areas or surveillance rooms. With advanced systems, casinos can maintain a secure environment, deter criminal activity, and meet strict regulatory requirements, which strengthens their overall operational integrity. This proactive approach to security doesn't just prevent problems. It creates a much safer and more controlled environment for everyone. In a gaming environment, things can escalate quickly. An argument at a table, a medical emergency, or confusion at the cashier. AI-enhanced surveillance can automatically detect falls, sudden crowd surges, or other risks, allowing staff to intervene before a small incident becomes a major problem. Crowds are another big challenge. Large groups can create blind spots, making it hard to track individuals or spot developing issues. AI-powered cameras can analyze crowd density, detect unusual movement, and even predict bottlenecks before they form. The system can alert staff to congestion or unsafe conditions, helping maintain a smooth flow of traffic and ensuring emergency exits stay clear, especially during packed events. But here's where it gets really interesting. Business intelligence. Every camera on the floor is a data goldmine. Through AI analysis of movement patterns and how long people stay in certain areas, casinos can identify which games and experiences are grabbing attention and which ones are not. These insights help operators adjust floor layouts, refine promotions, and use their space more effectively to drive revenue. It's about understanding player behavior on a massive scale. Of course, not all cameras are created equal. Casinos use a variety of them for different purposes. You have pentel zoom cameras for large gaming halls and high-stakes tables. Bullet cameras are great for outdoor perimeters and back-of-house corridors. And then there are fisheye cameras, which provide a seamless 360-degree view, perfect for large lobbies and gaming pits from a single point. So, remember, casino AI surveillance isn't just a big brother system for catching scammers. It's also a powerful tool for creating a more streamlined and efficient workplace, allowing employees to perform their best in a fast-paced environment. Thanks so much for spending some time with me today. Check the description for any related links. Please subscribe so you don't miss any critical AI surveillance updates, and look out for some other video thumbnails popping up now with similar content. Until next time, PeekAboo, I see you.